electric charges. First we have to define the charge. What is the charge? First we have to define the charge. Charge is the basic property of matter. This is the intrinsic property of matter or basic property of matter. We have to written in the notes. Charge is the intrinsic property of a matter which is embedded in the matter. This is the embedded property, that is the charge. Charge is defined as the intrinsic property of a matter and which is associated with a matter. Now there are two types of charge which exist. There are two types of charge which exist. Positive charge and negative charge. There are two types of charge. First is positive charge and second is negative charge. Positive charge means if any object, this is a conductor and we have a conductor, and if the electrons is exit out from this, then this conductor get positively charged. We can see experiment also here. If we have a glass rod, and if we rub this glass rod with silk cloth, if we rub this glass rod with a silk cloth, then we can see experimentally that the glass rod is positively charged and silk is negatively charged. And another experiment we can see also, if we have a ebonite rod, and this ebonite rod is rubbed with a woolen cloth, and this ebonite rod is rubbed with a woolen cloth, and we can see that the electron is transferred from here to here, and here we can see that ebonite rod will get the negatively charged and woolen cloth will be positively charged. This is totally depends on the internal capacity of the conductor, where the charge will be transferred. That body can be negatively or positively charged. There has a series of materials. After remembering this series, we can decide which material should be positively charged and which material should be negatively charged. Simple experiment we can see. If we take a comb and rub in its dry air, then comb will be positively charged and here should be negatively charged. And here we can see various types of experiment which is observed in the nature, and the material which is positively and negatively charged is totally depends on the charge carrying capacity, electron transfer capacity. This is depending on the nature of the materials. The material which have more electropositive then can easily donate the electrons, then material should be positively charged and other material should be negatively charged. These are the basic definition of the charges. Now there are two types of charge. First is positive charge, second is negative charge. After that we can know that positive and positive charge, it means like charges attract, like charges repel each other. We have to know this property also. Like charges repel each other and unlike charges are attract each other. We have know this basic property also. Now we can giving the homework to, first we have to define the charge. We have to write the definition of the charge in your copy, and after defining the charge definition, next definition which have to derive the basic property of charge and write the at least 7 basic property which is related to the charge. And after the continuation of this, we have to discuss the Coulomb's law of electrostatic force. In your copy we have to check these homework.